So good morning, and my topic is all about operations and the operation manager. So according to Aldag and Stearns, operation refers to any process that accepts inputs and uses resources to change those inputs in useful ways. The engineer manager and what is its role in operations? So whatever management level the engineer manager is, they're expected to produce some output. For example, if they were assigned a role na manufacturing engineer, their job is to design and identify the machinery, instruments, and processes necessary to effectively turn the design of the desired product into reality. If they were assigned naman as an operations manager, their job is to find ways to contribute to the development of quality products or services in his department and to minimize costs. Types of transformation processes. Uh, There are two types of transformation processes. Number one is manufacturing process. Two is service processes. Manufacturing process is those that refer to the making of products by hand or with machinery. There are six types of manufacturing processes. Yung dalawa, ihahabol ko na lang mamaya. So, number one, job shop. Job shop focuses in sales orders for a number of small lots. Job shop process flow goes like this. So una is preparation and groupings of materials. Number two is lathe work, then milling, then grinding, then inspection of final product, and then shipping. So in a job shop, products can be generated within a short period of time. Job shops are high on labor and computers are always idle. So basically, job shop is more of hands-on work talaga. Number two is batch flow. Batch flow is a self-designed products are made. So magandang example ng batch flow is yung Standard Textile, where they provide hotels with the towels, linens, and fabrics they need for their businesses. They use batch production to fulfill bulk orders for a specific hotel. So Standard Textile uses batch process on a specific set of machines. They produce the 500 large pillows their client needs. So one set of machinery handles the small pillowcases, and another set produces 1,000 bed sheets. Number three is the continuous flow. So, continuous flow is a rapid pace at which objects pass through the device. So dito, yung mga nakikita natin laging sa mga pagawaan na sobrang bilis ng pag-assemble. Katulad na lamang sa mobile phones, na calculators, tsaka televisions. Number four is batch continuous flow hybrid. Ito yung mixture ng batch and ongoing flow. Magandang example nito is breweries, gelatin makers, tsaka cigarette manufacturers. Number five is worker pace assembly line. Worker pace assembly line is a manufacturing structure organized in a series to allow the delivery of large quantities of uniform goods. Dito, ang magandang example is McDonald's. So, worker pace assembly line process goes like this. So, number one, raw materials per customer. So, ayun na, nakuha na ng cashiers yung mga orders natin. Then, di ba, ini-input nila sa computer yung orders natin. Then, ipapasa dun sa kabilang side nung parang counter. Then, dun na i-assemble yung mga raw materials na kailangan dun sa orders natin. Then, number two is materials or labor. Dito na i-assemble yung mga material, yung mga orders natin. For example, kunyari yung sa burger, diba? Meron yung series nun is yung bread, then yung ketchup, naman, then yung gulay, then yung patty, then ketchup ulit, nasa mga ganon. Then last is yung finished item. Dito na nila dinadrop yung mga nakikita natin sa likod nila, yung order natin, is kukunin na nung crews dun na nasa counter na assigned dun sa customer. The number 6 is machine phase assembly line. Ito produces mainly regular goods with a major role played by machines. So, ang magandang example nito is car manufacturers. For example, is yung Ford Motors. Lahat yon yung paggawa ng mga kotse is more on machines na talaga ang nag-assemble. So, service processes. Number 1 is service factory. Service factory provides a small mix of services that results in some operating economies of scale. Ang example din ito is like yung McDonald's, tsaka Shakey's. Number 2, service shop. Service shop, job shops are fixed positions and can be tailored to different requirements. Ito yung service shop process flow. So, there are tatlong ways mag-i-start yung process na yun. One is yung parts inventory, tas yung writing up job ticket, tapos, dalawa na pala. Ayan. So, sa parts inventory, dito, withdrawal of parts from parts department. Dito nila tinitignan yung mga sirang gamit or sirang parts ng kotse mo. Tapos, i-check nila kung meron ba sa inventory nun. Then, sunod is yung writing up job ticket. So, dito talaga nag-i-start lahat. So, isusulat muna nila yung mga notes nila regarding sa kotse mo. Then, logging job at dispatch tower. Then, car weight. Tapos, diagnosis of problems. Ito na i-check kung ano talagang problema ng kotse mo. Then, work on by technician. So, after nilong withdrawal of parts from parts department, tsaka na-identify na yung problem ng kotse mo, mag-e-end lahat yun sa work on by technician. So, the technician will then road test yung kotse mo, and if it fails, babalik ulit, titignan ulit nila. Then, if it passes the road test, i-road test naman ng management. If nag-fail naman dun sa management, babalik ulit yun sa work by technician. Then, kung pasado na tong dalawa sa road test ng technician and the management, i-aano na nila yung papers na kailangan dun sa car mo. Then, at the end, babalik na yung kotse mo and customer payment process. So, number 3 is the mass service. Mass service offers programs at the same time to a wide number of individuals. So, ang mass service process flow, may ganito. So, number 1 is yung material receipt. So, kunyari, it starts with the truck delivery, then checking of paperworks, tapos delivery to the floor, tapos i-check ulit nila yung paperwork. Then, if any problem, dun mo makikita if, any problem reports filed. If wala naman, it can go sa storing items, then filing the paperwork. So, number 2 is yung sales transactions. So, una, register open. Tapos, presenting merchandise to customer and closing sale. Tapos, sale entry on register. Tapos, dito, di ba, chine-check yung cash ba or credit. Tapos, dito, meron yung credit not approved. So, technically, it's a dead end na. If you don't have the money naman to buy, and you're solely, nagre-rely ka talaga sa credit, then the process ends there. If not, so, ang mangyayari doon is sale made. So, then, register closed and balanced. And lastly, number 4 is yung professional services. Ito yung is a complex mix of services na ginagawa ng professional service. So sa professional service compared to service factory to and service shops, ayan, yung process nito talaga is very similar din sa job shop. So ayun lang po. Thank you.